The ZVI extension identifies a Zeiss Vision image file containing microscopy image data from Carl Zeiss microscope systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, analyze, or convert these scientific microscopy image files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading ZVI file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. ZVI files are microscopy image files from Carl Zeiss AxioVision, microscopy software containing multi-channel, multi-dimensional image data from Zeiss microscope systems. They store fluorescence, brightfield, and phase contrast images with metadata for scientific imaging analysis. Zeiss ZVI files use a proprietary format based on Microsoft OLE structured storage, containing multi-channel image planes, Z-stack slices, time series frames, and extensive microscope metadata, including objective lens, exposure settings, and stage positions. Zeiss ZEN imaging software from Carl Zeiss. AG should be your first choice when attempting to open ZVI. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows does not parse structured data formats, so the original application is needed for full visibility. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your ZVI file, then click Open With. Test Zeiss ZEN imaging software if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If the ZVI file won't open, don't panic. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, opening the file. Install Carl Zeiss ZEN or AxioVision software for native ZVI support. Alternatively, use the free Fiji ImageJ with the Bioformats plugin, which reads ZVI files and displays all image channels, Z-planes, and time points with proper metadata interpretation. Next, analyzing in ImageJ. Open ZVI files in Fiji using plugins, then Bioformats Importer. Select import options for channel splitting, Z-projection, and time series handling. Use Fiji's measurement and analysis tools for quantitative fluorescence microscopy analysis. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use Bioformats. Command line tools, or ImageJ, to convert ZVI files to OMA-TIFF, the open microscopy exchange format preserving all metadata. Export individual channels as TIFF for publication figures. Use the bfconvert command for batch conversion of ZVI file collections. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.